Hello guys, how to hide formulas in Excel sheet. ازاي تخفي المعادلات وتحمي جهدك في الاكسل. Please before we go to discuss this, please subscribe to my channel because it's very important for me. Let's go now, and this is the Excel sheet which this of you put here, this you have these formulas. You need to protect these formulas from showing them to your colleagues or the users of your work. So how to do this? First of all, you select all and then go to cells, and here cells, format cells, and down format cells here, and then press on load and then OK. Okay. Now you go to select this which you will need to protect, and then these ones, and then find and select, and then go to special, and then press formulas and then OK. Okay. Now it's appear, but we will select also these ones and then go to the format cells here, format cells, and select hidden. Okay. Now it's already hidden. Okay. Select this and then check again format cell, format cells, protection, hidden. Now we need to make a password for protection and protection. Okay, for protection. So you will go to review and select protect and then select those, okay, and enter the password. And then okay, and then again, and then okay. Now no formulas appear, we protect it. If you change any of this, if you written in any way, you will write any numbers, any characters, will write it. Okay. If you change any of this, or this is 71, if we put yellow, so this is 70 and the yellow increased by 1, so all the system will be available and working without showing the formulas. Okay, if you have any question, don't ask me, and press like if you like the video and share with others for useful. Thanks for watching the video.